Hello. In the last video, we had seen the statement, prepared statement, right? In this video, we will talk about the callable statement. See, we have functions in our Java, right? So, void, test, like that. Some reusable logic will be there here, right? In the Java terminology, the reusable logics are the functions. But in the database terminology, the reusable logics are called as the procedures. The reusable logics are called as procedures. In the database, we will have some procedures or the reusable logics. We can call them by using the callable statement interface. We can call the reusable logics by using the callable statement interface. So let's say an example on that. So what is the callable statement going to do? It is used to call the stored procedures. So firstly, I will be opening MySQL and I'll be creating one schema for more clarity. So I have to give the password. Password 5. Now I want to create a schema. Create schema, schema name. Create schema, schema name. Let's say I'm just giving calls 5 as the name of my schema. And then I want to use that calls 5 schema. See, use call 5. Okay, call 5. Call 5 is the name of the schema that is created and we are using it. Now what we are doing, we are going to create a table in that particular schema. Let's say we are writing like this, create table, table name, employees. See, the ENO, E-name, E-cell are the columns of this table. Let's describe the employees table. So, ENO, E-name, E-cell are the columns. Now, I just want to insert one record in that particular employees table. I'm just saying like insert into table name values, insert into employees values. I just want to insert one John 10,000 into this table. Now, if I apply the select command, I will be getting the record. So 1 John 10,000. This is quite common till now. Now, I want to create a procedure in my database. See, to end the procedure, I will give this symbol. That is what I'm saying. Delimiter double slash. That means to indicate the end of the procedure properly, I will give this symbol. That is what I'm saying. So delimiter, this one. And now what I'll do, I'll just create the procedure. So what I'm saying here, I'm writing like this. See, create procedure, procedure name. What is the name of your procedure? Insert student info. That procedure is taking how many values? This procedure is having how many columns? Employee ID or how many arguments? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary. 3 arguments are there in the insert student info procedure. So what is in? This is this employee ID has to be inputted. This is again in parameter. That means employee name has to be inputted. ESAL is in. That means the employee salary has to be inputted. So I just want to create a procedure with the name insert student info. This should have 3 parameters like ID, name and sal. All the values have to be inputted. Then I'm just beginning the procedure. Then see, insert into employee's value. See, whatever the employee ID, employee name, employee salary received by the insert student info will be sent to the employees table. Whatever the parameters that are received here into EID, ENAME, ESAT will be sent to the employees table. And we are just ending the procedure by putting this delimiter. So this is what the procedure we are having. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to call the procedure through the callable statement. So what is the schema name? What is the name of our schema? It is call 5, right? Call 5 is the name of the schema which is having insert student info procedure. So call 5. Then I'm just running this code firstly. I got success here. See what happened exactly. I'm registering the driver and establishing the connection. See, I'm just creating a reference to the callable statement interface. Callable statement reference equal to con.prepare call. Prepare call is a function from the connection interface. So we are using the prepare call function, which procedure we are calling call insert student info procedure, which is having three parameters. You're asking to call the insert student info procedure, which is having three parameters like ID, name, SAL. That's why three question marks. And then you're just saying in the first parameter, you have to put 56, in the second parameter, hello call, in the third parameter, 500. I'm applying the execute function, success is printed. So now what will happen? Insert student info procedure is called with 56, hello colon 500. Insert student info procedure is called with what and what? With 56 into EID, with hello call into ename, with 500 into sal. So what will happen now? This data, 56 hello call and 500 is inserted into the employees table, which is created earlier. So earlier employees table is having only one record John, that is John. Now what will happen? This 56 hello call and also 500 will be inserted into this employees table. Now we will check the same. Let's apply the select command. So what we will do is we will just apply the select command and check that whether the employees table is having that particular data or not. Select star from employees. Okay. So see, 56 hello colon 500 is inserted. Simply what I had done, I just had called the procedure using callable statement. I just had called the insert student info procedure with three values. And then those values that are received by this procedure will be inserted into the employees table. So from now onwards, if you want to insert the data in the employees table, you can simply call the student insert student info function. That's it. Automatically, this insert query will be executed and the data is inserted into the employees table. Fine. So that is what the callable statement. You can just call the procedures, the stored procedures or the reusable blocks. You can just perform the required tasks. So whenever you want to insert the data in the employees table, you can simply call the insert student info with what data you want to insert. So this is all about our callable statement. So statement, prepared statement, callable statement are the three types of statements or three types of interfaces, statement interfaces we are having. Okay. So with this, we are done with the JDBC, the Java database connectivity. What we are going to do is in the next video, we are going to see the next topics. Thank you. Bye.